Good morning, this is Saul Reisman here at Saul's Automotive. Today we're out here in the parking lot with this 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse. The reason that we're here talking with this vehicle today is this guy's 15 years old, has 140,000 miles, and needs a head gasket repair, which is a major labor endeavor. We have to remove the intake manifold, remove the valve covers, disassemble the heads themselves, remove them from the vehicle, pull the timing setup off of it, and then physically machine those heads, put new gaskets in, reassemble. This is a very time-intensive job, and in most 15-year-old vehicles would be the time that your mechanic might call you and say, you know, this is borderline. This is decision-making time of whether or not we're repairing this car or whether or not we're taking the money that would be repairing this car and putting it in something else as a down payment or a purchase of something otherwise. Our job here as your mechanic is to make sure that we give you the best advice possible so that you can make the most informed decision, even if that means steering you out of a repair that could potentially make the shop a profitable job. Our goal is always to keep you reliable and safe. The reason that we're talking about this particular vehicle is because in any other situation with a 15-year-old vehicle needing a repair that costs a couple of $1,000s, we probably would not be recommending a repair. The only reason we're recommending a repair on this vehicle is the engine that's in it was specifically designed by Mitsubishi to make a pretty substantial amount of horsepower. They're famous for their longevity, hitting 250 or even 300,000 miles, and we typically see them come in built in performance variants, making double or triple the horsepower of the factory stock form. So we can rest assured that we know this engine is going to continue on with a happy and healthy life for years to come. If you've got a vehicle that you're concerned about whether or not it's worth the repair, whether or not it justifies, or it might be time to cut it loose, please give us a call. We don't charge any inspection fee because you and I both need to be on the same page and know what we're up against, how to best approach, and what that game plan is, even if that means it might be another vehicle. Give us a shout here at Saul's Automotive at 303-919-7769. We'd be happy to help any way we can.